Hello, my name is Dr. Muhammad Fahim and I will make video for about the academic writing, and these are the contents for about my videos. And first one in the first unit or first movie or video you can say academic writing, and then in unit 2 sequences, and then classification, cause and effects, comparison and contrast, and after that unit 6 academic writing, im- implied meaning and making inferences, denotations and connotations, and reading newspaper, the last one. Objectives of the course. Upon successful completion of the course you will be able to realize the importance of writing for success in all academic, public and professional enterprises that require critical thinking and communication skills. Read and write different kinds of academic essays. Evaluate and respond to academic text. Identify main ideas and supporting details. Make inferences, draw accurate conclusions and identify author's purpose. Write cohesive paragraphs that contains a topic sentence, supporting ideas, transitions and a concluding sentence. Write essays that include an introduction, body and conclusions. So here we can see contained in the cohesive paragraph contain topic essay, then supporting ideas, transition and concluding sentence, mean closing sentence, and writing essays that include an introduction, body and conclusions. And last point, develop vocabulary skills through meaningful vocabulary development exercises. One of the pleasures of writing is seeing your ideas change and take a shape on the page. You may find that writing process leads in unexpected directions. The more you read about a topic, the more questions arise for your consideration or considering. New questions may lead you challenge your initial assumptions. It is in the process of writing, of working in the depth with your own ideas and those of others, that you discover what's compelling to you and your audience. What is academic writing? Academic writing refers to a particular style of expression. College offers abundant opportunity to write across disciplines and enter research conversations. As you take position in academic debates or propose solutions to complex problems, you have questions about how to engage with other writers and thinkers who have written about your topic, how to support your ideas with well-documented evidence, and how to communicate your points clearly and correctly. Academic writing, when you use appropriately, presents a polished and professional image. Demonstrate your strong composition skills and excellent grammar. Characteristics of academic writing includes a formal writing style that adopts a formal tune, use of third person he, she, it, they rather than first person I, we, clear focus on issue or topic, precise words choice, means a right word should be at the right positions. One should be able to differentiate between the very synonyms or very similar meanings words. Academic writing is therefore formal writing, as we already discussed. Academic writing is to some extent complex, formal, objective, and explicit and responsible. Explicit means precisely and clearly communicated or readily observable, leaving nothing to implication. So, formal academic writing styles avoids colloquial expressions, jargon, slangs, and cliches. Colloquial expressions common in spoken language and are conversational expressions. Words such as cute, yeah, and movies are colloquial words. Then jargons, words that are especially related to specific activity, professions, or group. Technique, these are the technical words and used by the some group of the people. So like specific profession such as advertising, politics, medicine. In academic writing, try not to use jargons too much. You can use but not too much. And then slangs, informal vocabulary items which are fashionably used and can be changed with time. Slangs are considered impolite and unrefined and have no place in academic writing. Words such as the movie was a bomb and a pool party, etc. And last one, cliches, phrases and sentences that are used so often they have lost their freshness and impact. Such phrases like clean and fresh, soft as a baby's skin. Last but not least, avoid using them to use in your essay. So, what is an academic essay? An essay is a piece of writing that generally shows writer's point of view on a particular subject. An essay describes or analyzes one topic. Essay outline. In essay outline, first is introduction, then body, and then conclusion. So we can say an essay, usually academic essay, consists of the three part: introduction, body, and conclusions. So they have the paragraphs for about the introduction, then for about the body, then for about the conclusions. So body may be in one paragraph or many paragraphs. So paragraphs for about the introduction orientate the readers, identify the focus or purpose, outline scope, and state thesis. And about the body, topic sentence 1, sporting, concluding sentence 1, then topic sentence detail 2, sporting details, then concluding sentence 2, topic sentence 3, and so on, like sporting detail, concluding sentence 3, and like this you can complete the body for about any essay. And at the last, restate thesis, summarize argument. The length, for about the length of the essay, it can range in the length from one paragraph to more. It can be about anything. It can be about anything and written in almost any style. It can be serious or funny, analytical or argumentative, describe personal opinions or just report information. Learning to write academic essays well takes time and practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Essay writing is the most essential part of academic process and essays are the backbone of your writing. Writing an academic essay can be a daunting task, but don't be discouraged. If you are organized and follow the guideline that we are giving to you in the forthcoming videos, writing an essay will pose no problem for you whatsoever. Let's summarize our idea for about the essay writing. Writing in college or university is different from writing in high school. Good academic writing follow the rules of good writing. Characteristics of academic writing include a formal writing style, a formal tone, use of third person, clear focus on the issue or topic, and precise word choice. Academic writing is complex, formal, objective, explicit, and responsible. Learning to write academic essays well takes time and practice makes a man perfect. Essay writing is the most essential part of academic process. Essays are the backbone of your writing. An essay is short piece of writing that generally shows the author's point of view on particular subject. So here we summarize. If you see this summary and remember the main points, then I think we can go to the next step and you may be able to start your essay. So let me say thank you and keep watching.